To automatically enable Do Not Disturb when the exercise mode is on in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, first you have to enable Do Not Disturb option within this mode. To do so, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon, tap mode and routine. While you are in the mode screen, tap exercise and then tap the gray on off sheet next to Do Not Disturb to enable this option. When the switch turns blue, it means that this option is on. By enabling this option, now when the exercise mode is active, your phone will automatically enable Do Not Disturb, where your phone will mute all calls, notification, and other alert except for those you choose to allow. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.